cleaning up those leaves for Mike, and we put them all in that dump truck, and I dove into them. I mean, that's the stupid stuff. You know, professional people don't do that.
Right.
So we would we would open up. I think our opening show should be about me and you being homeless, and that we're walking through the woods up to the valley, to the road, and we're saying how we could build those traps for wild game, and you know, do the dumpster diving for the vegetables and everything, and then we end up at the picnic area and go through the trash cans, and that's when we come up with potato salad and fried chicken. But of course, then we inform that you know, this is a luxury. It doesn't happen every day. You know, we lucked out tonight, but tomorrow we're going to have to set one of those fires and set a trap. Joe, did you have any gravy with those mashed potatoes? Can you pass it over, please? That kind of thing. What'd you get? Drumsticks? I got a couple breast. Oh, wow. Okay, let's dig in.
Chemtrails, chemtrails, motherfucking chemtrails, chemtrails. Why don't they leave us alone? Chemtrail, chemtrails, motherfucking chemtrails, chemtrails. Why don't they leave us alone? Don't they leave us alone? Nasty ass. Shaking, shaking, baby. Nasty ass plane, leave us alone. Damn. Chemtrails. Our nice sky turns to clouds of death. Clouds of death with X's and H's. I don't know if you can see the giant H. And you can see them forming right here. Forming into what, you ask? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It's everywhere. Look, there's a little guy hitting it right now, right through there. Where's that spreading his clouds of death. If you thought this was to keep the sun off the earth, then why are they doing it now? And we know that's not why. Those bastards. Control. Developing a weather control system. These chemicals and the frequency that they form when they web out and fall, it carries heat energy, EMF energy, which converts into heat energy. Here's a couple new ones. Big tankers about right across there, excuse me. Some in the clouds. Let me switch this to nighttime. Oh, here comes a nice dark one. Deep. Okay. See him coming? Just putting his little anarchy symbol in the sky for us. Let's know who's the boss. Actually, some people speculate that they put these signals and make these X's and O's so when they look at it in satellite, they can sort of appropriate the location of their different chemical concoctions. Mad. They're mad. What's even more maddening is that people think you're freaking crazy if you understand this stuff. It's sad because we're all getting sick from it. Damn it, look at that. Clouds of death forming right before our eyes. We'll see what happens. But this is all going to form into some sort of wave. And cool or heat, whatever the recipe is for this evening over my location here in Indianapolis. But just the nasty crossings and stuff. And otherwise we probably would have been able to see the stars tonight, but we're gonna mush it up. I'll let you know. There he goes. Off in the sunset back home where his wife and kids are breathing the same material. However, we're all suffering from it. I don't even know if those could be auto planes for all I know. There you go. Off into the sunset. Just leaving back behind some dirty air. Thank you. Thank you very much for your dirty air. I enjoy breathing it. I can see it come as dust settle everywhere around me, harming the plant life. It's just disgusting. I mean, why are they doing it? Why can't you just look up to know that it's true? Just look at this ship. Does this look normal? This is not normal. There wouldn't be no planes in the sky on a normal day around here. But when they hit us, man, they're sending them from Air Forces far away. And they hit the hot. When they want to hit it, they hit it. This is actually kind of light, but we didn't have any trails and intermediate ones really today. But just now, right as the sun's going down, they just start Xing and O'ing us. It's got to stop. Please, people, help.